The idea of braiding and weaving has been so instilled in my understanding of Blackness that we wanted to use this understanding to tell these narratives of women through these woven stories.
The orange symbolizes like her beads.
My favorite part of the project was where he told us to weave color based on the picture here. I just made the beads.
It was important to this project to look at some key figures whilst discussing Black British matriarchs. It was also equally important to look at the wider Afro-Caribbean diaspora.
We was inspired by Marsha P. She's also known for being the first Black woman American platform.
And Amanda, she was a writer and a storyteller.
Marsha P. Johnson, she is known as the first Black trans woman who supports the LGBTQ.
It was also important that the students identified the women that were used for the project, their background, achievements, and of course other iconography that went into the weaving process, such as colours, textures, hairstyles that you see within the weaving process.
Black History Month means to me like a month to celebrate Black people.
Black people who worked really hard to get to where they are.
It gives them a chance to embrace their culture that they didn't get to in the past.
I don't think we've been taught enough about Black women's histories in schools.
Apart from history, they should teach us more about it.
A lot of times, Black history is written out. I think it's really important for Black children growing up to see role models. One figure that I've been inspired by, I think, is Mary Seacole, and in particular because we don't all know her story.
One would be Vanessa Williams in 1984. She won a Miss America.
I'm looking forward to finishing this weaving and showing it to everyone, and that I learned more about another famous Black woman.